Alright, these are the internal elevators at the Sarasota Bradenton International Airport in Sarasota, Florida. Let's go to 3. This elevator is the only one of the two that serves 3. The other one only goes to 2. You probably shouldn't be hanging around the 3rd floor since there's like airport authority offices up here. But anyway, yeah, there's your certificate. There are your buttons. And here's your emergency phone. Capacity 4,000 pounds. And here's your cab view. You can't really hear the motor, but anyway, we're just gonna go up to 2 this time. Listen. You probably can't even hear it in the video, it's so quiet. Alright, let's go back down the 1 and switch cars. And interestingly enough, the lights are down there, whereas one of the glass elevators has lights along the ceiling. And interestingly enough, they kept these elevators, these internal ones, original, despite modding the glass elevators circa 2015. Alright, now here's this one. Yeah, as you can see, that one goes to 2 and 3. This one goes to 2 only. And as indicated by the certificate shown at the beginning of the video, these were installed in 1989. And this one has a bell. Alright, we're gonna go back down to 1. And there are your buttons. Same capacity, 4,000 pounds. And here's your emergency phone. Here's your inspection certificate. And let's just watch the button go out. Alright, we're gonna go up to 2. And we're gonna watch the indicator. Sorry for the shake, I've got a bag on my shoulders. Let's watch the lantern this time. Alright, now let's go to 1. Let's do the same thing when we get down to 1. Watch the lantern. Here is your cab view. Alright, let's watch it. Alright, and you know what? Since I have to go up there anyway, let's just end the video on 2. Because I'm actually flying out of this airport today. Alright, here we are. Welcome to the Sarasota Bradenton International Airport. Yeah. And those are the elevators. Also, interestingly enough, this is the call station. The one-on-one looks like the same thing, but rotated 90 degrees. So if you wanted to go to 3, you would press this one and it would give you the right elevator. And if you wanted to go down the 1, I suppose it would call either elevator. As opposed to 1, where there's 2 separate call buttons for each elevator. Anyway, that'll be it.